In the world of smartphones, two titans battle for supremacy, the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Samsung S23 Ultra. Both these devices come packed with cutting-edge features and impressive specifications, leaving consumers spoiled for choice. Let's delve into the exciting world of these innovative phones and explore their similarities and key differences. Starting with the design, the iPhone 15 Pro Max exhibits Apple's renowned sleek and minimalist aesthetic. Its premium build quality, glass back, and stainless steel frame exude elegance and durability. On the other hand, the Samsung S23 Ultra sports a stylish and modern design, featuring a metal and glass construction that is both visually striking and sturdy. Moving on to the displays, both phones offer breathtaking visuals, but in slightly different ways. The iPhone 15 Pro Max boasts an advanced OLED display with True Tone technology, resulting in vibrant colors, excellent contrast, and deep blacks. Meanwhile, the Samsung S23 Ultra comes equipped with a Dynamic AMOLED display that is equally impressive, providing eye-popping colors, exceptional brightness, and HDR10+ support. Additionally, both phones boast large screens, providing an immersive viewing experience. When it comes to performance, these smartphones are powerhouses in their own right. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is powered by Apple's A15 Bionic chip, a formidable processor that ensures smooth and snappy performance, while also being energy efficient. On the other hand, the Samsung S23 Ultra packs a potent Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 or Samsung Exynos 2200 chipset, depending on the region. These processors deliver blazing fast speeds, enabling seamless multitasking, gaming, and media consumption. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the stellar camera systems on both devices. The iPhone 15 Pro Max boasts a triple lens setup, including a primary wide-angle lens, an ultra-wide-angle lens, and a telephoto lens. This combination offers incredible versatility, allowing users to capture stunning images in various scenarios. Additionally, Apple's computational photography algorithms work behind the scenes to enhance image quality further. The Samsung S23 Ultra, on the other hand, takes camera capabilities to the next level with its quad-lens camera setup. It features a primary wide-angle lens, an ultra-wide-angle lens, a telephoto lens, and a dedicated depth sensor. This arrangement enables impressive optical zoom capabilities, allowing users to get closer to their subjects without sacrificing image quality. Furthermore, Samsung's camera software offers a plethora of shooting modes, filters, and editing tools, providing creative freedom to users. Battery life is a crucial aspect for many smartphone users, and both the iPhone 15 Pro Max and Samsung S23 Ultra perform admirably in this department. The iPhone 15 Pro Max boasts a sizable battery that lasts throughout the day on moderate usage, while also supporting fast charging and wireless charging. The Samsung S23 Ultra, on the other hand, has an even larger battery capacity, ensuring prolonged usage without the need for frequent charging. It also supports fast charging and wireless charging capabilities. One area where the two phones differ significantly is the operating system. The iPhone 15 Pro Max runs on Apple's renowned iOS, offering a user-friendly and secure experience. Apple's ecosystem and seamless integration with other Apple devices are strong selling points for those already invested in the Apple ecosystem. On the flip side, the Samsung S23 Ultra operates on Android, providing a more customizable and flexible experience for users who prefer greater control over their device. Lastly, let's discuss the price factor. The iPhone 15 Pro Max, being an Apple flagship device, falls into the premium price range. It commands a higher price tag, reflecting its top-of-the-line features and brand value. On the other hand, the Samsung S23 Ultra falls in a similar price range, offering a competitive alternative for those who prefer the Android experience and Samsung's innovative features. In conclusion, both the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Samsung S23 Ultra are outstanding smartphones, each with its own set of unique features and capabilities. Whether you prefer Apple's seamless ecosystem and elegant design or Samsung's customizable experience and innovative camera technology, both phones offer a superb user experience. Ultimately, The choice between the two will come down to personal preferences and priorities.